So if you want to try from back here, these targets, you've got to be able to use the high, like we said. If you're using this 26 to 27 zone, if you're thinking of shorting, coming in ahead of news, a reminder, I like to go flat if there's news coming. A lot of times that's what will happen. His profits will be taken fairly quickly going into news. And we're in about 10 minutes. So anybody that's made this trade, a reminder that if you want to get to the other side, you'll probably have to, hold through news, which I don't usually advise. But I think this is the key support zone for now that needs to get taken out. And I think this is probably the middle. So once we get back into this 24 zone, anything past that is good fortune right now. So grab your 2-3 points if you can get it. And again, the assumption was that anybody that's buying the middle, the overnight middle, take profits ahead of news. And that was, I think, at 9:55 news coming out. Is that 21 test? They trade. And like I said, I think range trading ahead of that news. It's a very smart market. Making all the wannabes pay up first. Everybody thinks it's just going to bust. And my suggestion, get paid ahead of the news. You get about 10 minutes for that. And no guarantee we can get past this middle. Nice trade. If you took a great trade, and don't overstay. It would probably be fairly choppy. And I was thinking that this 1875 to 19 area, I like to see better balance. And sometimes you want it, but you can't get it, especially ahead of news. I just thought maybe shake out a few of the aggressive longs first before they did anything. Anyways, keep an eye on news, range type trading. This certainly qualifies. And my guess is, for now, we may not be able to get through this before news. So make sure you get paid. If you took the short, I say give it one shot here. And we're not trying to prove anything. We're just trying to take something out of the market. And sometimes we'll get this kind of a, shaky type of move ahead of news, especially early in the day, because both sides have their merit. Both sides have their idea. So for now, this middle is the key. The high's been defended a couple of times today. The low has been defended overnight. This 17 zone we said was important. So traders right now aren't going to overcommit, my feeling, ahead of some more news coming. Anyways, good trade. If you got a couple points either way, put in your pocket. The idea we said today was, don't be a hero. Don't try to prove anything. And we may have to suffer through a little range type trading.